then you took off the tankies?
Yes, when I took off the tankies to take the pants. Yes, ma'am.
And was she wearing socks?
I don't think so. I don't think so, ma'am.
Was she wearing a bra?
No.
And was she wearing a tanky?
No, I don't think so.
So when you took off the shirt, and you took off
The pants.
socks,
The ski pants, the tights, yes, ma'am.
she was totally naked.
I think she was totally naked because I just pulled off the pants also, and yes, ma'am.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Show. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, yeah man, angathi ku 2024 sizongena ne confusion ngabafana nale case yakhe. Like I've been trying to reason ukuthi what really happened, you know, on the comment section of every clip postwayo, especially lapana ku TikTok. Abanye bathi he's innocent, abanye bathi he's guilty, abanye bathi akekho right ekhanda. But hey, yo guys, it's just a lot. Like I was just like ngibuka leya video when he explained ukuthi he took off the clothes because bese ithintile ne waphinde wamkhumula nebhlugwe ne. So like when we try to say he's innocent in everything le kade yenzeka lapha, but mase gqoka impahla zakhe, hayi uyangilahla guys, hayi uyangilahla ubafana, uyangilahla ukuthi uyangilahla nje lapho, uyangilahla straight ukuthi okay, I understand maybe ubeka phenika wabona ukuthi ngoba useze wamthinta ngcono ukuthi amkhumula impahla mhlawumbe ayifake with drain, I don't know, but uyigqoka ayikho into engahambi kahle ngalomfana bafethu, ikho into engahambi kahle. I don't know, but people are still waiting for a CCTV footage ukuyona explain ukuthi bathi like the victim yafike yadlula in few minutes, I think 2 minutes or 4 minutes, ubafana bayimlandela ngemuva, of which ubafana isitori sakhe si different, uthi yena wadlula laphayana esevele seshonile. And I think bekangazi ukuthi there are CCTV around there. Yo, but this boy guys, yo 21-year-old, hayi bafana ingeke yabona 2024 zongena neyinkinga zizokile ezinto ingasala ngemuva. I don't know guys ukuthi nombono wakho kulento, wena ucabanga ukuthi innocent ubafana or ubafana akekho innocent, but isitori sakhe hayi singilahla nje mase gqoka impahla zakalosisi, ungilahla mase gqoka nje iskipa sikalosisi amthole shonile, like ukhumula isidumbu. Hayi bafethu ubafana akekho right, ubafana akekho right ekhanda. Konke engahambi kahle, angazi noma beqala ukubulala manje ukuthi ubulele or what is happening. Yo, it's just a lot guys, just a lot. But anyway, please do